Hello guys, and welcome back to Positive Minds. Today I want us to design a flyer, a simple and straightforward flyer. So let's get started. Let's jump on it. So first of all, let's change the background to blue. We are using a blue background. So I think this is cool. The blue black is cool, right? Now click on the check mark. So now we want to enter text. So Positive Minds, like this. Now click on OK. Place it right here. You can reduce the size a bit to 35. Let it be at the center, then you move it upwards like this. Now let's go ahead and lock it. And then let's enter another text. Click on edit. Now we want to enter presents like this, and then we are going to change the font. We're going to change the font. So just look for a nice font for that one. So I think this is cool for me, so I press OK like this, but you can see that part of it is not showing, so you quickly look for the padding. Here is the padding. Click on it, and then like this, all of it will show. Now just place it beneath the Positive Minds like this. Click on the check mark, and then you can lock that one too, right? Now what we want to do is to insert the logo. So look for it. I would send that to you so that you can also use it to practice. So it's here, just import it like this. Now quickly change the color to white like this. You reduce the size like this. Hope we are okay. Click on the check mark. Now take a copy of it. Just take a copy of it, and then you change that color to yellow. I think this is cool, right? Click on the check mark, and then you place it to fit in with the first one. Let it fit in, and then you send it to back. Send it to back. This is to back, so to back like this. Place it well. To fit in exactly like this. Click on the check mark, and then lock this one, and then we are going to use the mask tool. So click on the mask tool, and then you crop it this way. Just take your time. Just take your time. Do it nicely. do it nicely. Just take your time, like this. Just take your time, and then you enable it like this. Enable it like this. Enable it like this. When you are done, just click on the check mark like this, right? And then you go ahead and you can lock it. Now let's enter text. So first of all, we are going to use two different fonts. So enter only W. Go ahead and increase the size, place it somewhere here, and then you change the font. Change the font. Let me use this one. You can just look for a nice font, make it bold. Change its color to yellow like this. Let's use the padding or the padding tool like this, right? Click on the check mark, place it nicely. Now let's enter the other part of the women. Kindly increase the size, place it right here. Let's make all of them to be capital letters. So you can change the font. So let me just use Nevis. Like this. Go ahead and make it bold. Then you change the color to yellow. Again, the same color. Now you move it to fit in. Let it fit in like this. Right? Now we are going to enter another text. So just click on this one, take a copy, edit it to arise, right? Click on OK, place it somewhere here, and then you change the font. We are going to use the fantastic personal use, so this one. Click on OK. Now let's increase the size like this. Let it match. Fixing like this. Let it fit in like this. Click on the check mark, and then you can lock it. Now let's merge the W and the omen to get one word so that we can actually place it to where exactly we want it to be. So when you are done, just click on the check mark like this, and then you can continue. Now we are going to insert shape, so just go ahead, insert the shape. We want it to be white, so just like this, reduce the size, and then you place it right at the center. So then you move it, position it here, click on the check mark. Now enter text, empowering women, changing the world. Click on OK. Now let's change the color to, let's use blue black. Right, let's reduce the size. First of all, before that, let's change the alignment to be at the center like this one, this particular one, like this. So go ahead and reduce the size to fit in like this, so you can make it bold like this. So let it be at the center of it, the white shape with just that rectangle, let it be at the center like this. So position it nicely. When you are done, click on the check mark, then you can go ahead and lock them. Now let's continue. Let's enter another text. So now we are going to use coming soon like this. Place it here, change the font. Let's change the font. I think this is cool. Just look for a nice font, and then I think this is cool. In order to ensure that it is at the center, click on this and then this, then you bring it, position it beneath the rectangle like this, and then just click on it, copy, and then you edit. Now we are going to enter anticipate like this. Go ahead and change the color to yellow, as usual. Then you change the font, let me use this one, then this is cool for me. Let it be at the center. You can bold it a bit, let it be at the center, then you position it beneath here like this. Then this is cool. When you are done, just click on the check mark, and then now let's edit the background a bit. So click here, and then you can see Vignettes here. This is Vignettes. You click on it, enable it, and you can see. So you can actually adjust it to fit your interest. You can adjust it to, let's say 40, or let's use 60, 69. Yes, let's use 69. Then when you are done, you can change the color like this. You can change the color. of it, right? So when you are done, just go ahead and click on the check mark. You can also see brightness here. You can adjust it. You can change the brightness. You can adjust it a bit. The hue too, you can adjust it. See, that one can actually change its color. So this can be a nice color for you, right? So since I don't want to use it, let me just send it back to 0. Right, click on the check mark. Let's go ahead and save our work as a project first, and then as an image. To get the quality, change the dimension to ultra in the format as PNG, and then you save it. You are done. Thank you.